Don't do a little bit.
Do bigger circles.
Do bigger circles. That's it. 7. That's where you're going. Come this way. 7. 7. Just like that.
Just let him drive. He's having fun.
Yeah, they're really graceful. Watch these two up there. And she goes all the way round. That's it. Now go up there and then turn. That's it. Good job.